Hey friends, Cherie here. Welcome back to the channel, Gardening at Home with Cherie. So we are in the grow room and I am about to start some peas. And I thought I would bring you all along. So I have 4 containers here set up with soil. And I have 4 containers here set up with my clay pebbles. So we're just playing around. I have grown peas indoors. In fact, they were a big part of my very first indoor garden in 2020. I even grew vining ones, which was so cool. This time I'm playing around with varieties to start off with that will stay pretty compact. And then I might sow some more of ones that I know get a little bit bigger once I finish getting the indoor garden set up, because I will need to kind of allow them to trellis around some of the shelving. And so I just want to get everything planted first. So we'll see. But also, we'll see. All right, so let's get some seeds into these 8 containers. First up are some top pick pink-eyed cowpeas. I put 4 seeds in the soil. Just gonna push them down. I grow these outdoors. They're one of my favorite cowpeas, but I've never attempted to grow them indoors. So we'll see how they behave. Next up is this gorgeous Desiree garden pea. Again, this is one that I grow outdoors. It's a beautiful, beautiful pea. And I did grow this in a pot in soil in my indoor garden in 2020. So yeah, we're gonna start these. Here's what those seeds look like. Again, just push them down into the soil. Next up, we have this gorgeous Beauregard snow pea. And this is another gorgeous, gorgeous purple pea. Here's what those seeds look like. We'll get those pushed down into the soil. Next, we're going to do the little marvel pea. This is also going to go into soil. And this is a really cutie patootie pea variety. Here's what those peas look like. Here are those peas. We'll get them pushed down. And we'll push those down. Now I'm also going to do this little marvel in these this clay pellet system. Test that out. We'll see how that goes. Next up is the Sugar and Dwarf garden pea, and I'm gonna put this in the clay pellet system right now. But these last 3 I'm also gonna set up in soil as well. So tomorrow I have more things, or later today I have more things that I'm going to sow, including putting these last 3 pea varieties into soil. So exactly the same containers as these. Here are those sugar and peas. Just pushing them down, making sure that they are in contact with water. Next up for today is the dwarf gray sugar peas. And again, another one that I grow outdoors. I don't think that I've grew this one indoors before, but I can't remember. And here are those peas. And I think with this one, I'm going to add some more water to it to bring the water level up in this one a little bit. Okay, that's better. And our 8th variety today is the Tom Thumb pea. And this is one that I've grown multiple times indoors in small pots, and it performs really nicely. Okay, and here are the Tom Thumb pea seeds. So that's going to be it for today's video. We got 8 varieties of peas sown. One is technically a cowpea, and then 7 varieties of, what we think of as regular peas. And so yeah, we have 2 different media that we're growing in. As I said, tomorrow I'm going to be setting up more. I have a 3rd kind of container that I want to test out for growing peas. And so we will do that either later today or tomorrow. And I will be adding again the Tom Thumb pea, the dwarf gray sugar pea, as well as the sugar, and I'm going to get those into some containers like these in soil as well. Peas are just they're fun and easy to grow indoors, and I want to have a lot of these growing while my micro dwarf tomatoes and all my lettuces are growing as well. You know, all my lettuces are growing and growing and getting bigger. So yeah, gotta get some other things growing and being ready to harvest when it's time to harvest these lettuces. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.